Hey awesome learners, welcome to Smart Tunes. After completing Python, the next step should be Django. Django is a web development framework which is written and maintained by Python. Okay, so I am planning to make you understand each of bits of Django with some projects. The first part we are going to cover with, that is Django Basics. In this Django Basics course, we are going to explore the basic contents of Django, how Django works, the basic stuffs. With respect to that, we are going to create this beautiful portfolio website where you can place your own image, your names, your contact details, and you can also place experience, whichever experience, what's project you have done, and anything, everything, and then you can mention here your educations, skills, interests, and hours. So by exploring the Django basics, we are going to build these beautiful websites, and finally we are going to discuss how you can host your portfolio to a universal server, that is cloud. How you can host your application to cloud, that will be free. I think it will help in your career and your academics. So I am so happy to see you in the course. Thank you for listening.